Mm-hmm.
I put that one there.
Okay, put Dora in there. Hey, did you have fun at your party yesterday? Did you have fun at your party yesterday?
Yes.
Who all came to your party?
The blue.
Who came? Who came?
Boom.
Who came to your party yesterday?
The ball cup party.
I see that ball.
And they go in the water.
Hey, did May Mace come to your party?
Yeah, up in the party. Okay, pack it out.
Okay, catch Crocodile.
Pack it out. Yeah, I pack it out. And that's a boots and Dora and this Dora.
Okay, catch him. 1, 2, 3. Yay!